month of February's theme is Happy Heart, and it looks like for the month of March it will be Botanical Beauty. As mentioned, I am no longer with them, so you can click the link but you won't get that discount. Anyways, I did not have time to film my regular intro, so this is what we're doing. If you are new to Apothecary at Home, what it is just a monthly subscription box that gets you going on all your apothecary needs. First out of the box is our loose leaf tea from the Loose Leaf Tea Company, and it is for blood pressure. Unfortunately, I do not have the package, and I cannot see the ingredients from here. Next out of the box, we have two 4-ounce glass mason jars for our macerations and projects. Then we have these two beautiful glass dropper bottles. The common box item we get next is two muslin straining bags for straining our projects, as well as 4 labels for naming and dating. It looks like I only got 3, but that is okay. We did get a surprise gift, and that was a vinyl heart sticker. Something I love about this box is that they do send us a pack of seeds every month. This month it does look like we have a pack of common yarrow. Another thing I love are these hand-drawn sketches from the owner's mother. First up is our sketch of yarrow. Then a sketch of hawthorn berries. And lastly, a sketch of linden. Moving on, we did get 2 ounces of hawthorn berries. Medicinally, hawthorn can be used for almost any condition that affects the heart muscle. Magically, you can use hawthorn for fertility, harmony, happiness, protection, and other world things. Next up, we did get 2 ounces of yarrow flower. Medicinally, yarrow is great to stop bleeding. Personally, we use it for cuts, scrapes, and any sort of little owies the children have. I made it into a powder, pack it in. Magically, yarrow is a great aid for psychic protection. And for our bonus herb, we got 1 ounce of linden. Medicinally, you can use linden to help with coughs, anxiety, to promote sleep, help with fevers, and heart health. Magically, linden is great for use in luck, love, sleep, and protection spells. And lastly, out of the box is just the health disclaimer. If you have not read it, you will want to give it a read, and if you have, you can go ahead and file it away. So that is it for the subscription box for the month of February. I will go ahead and move on now to the herb of the month. So this month's herb was Motherwort. And as you can see, we have an about Motherwort, Motherwort benefits, and then just a few recipes on the PDF. Now, if you are new and unsure what the Herb of the Month Club is, it is just a kind of spin-off subscription box from the Apothecary at Home that focuses on just one herb a month, as it sounds. And first out of the box is going to be our Motherwort Herbal Monograph. It does have a front and back, so you do get the whole realm of things. Next up is our Motherwort Bingo card. This side just has information on how you would work this side. Very simple. Then next up we do have this beautiful sketch of Motherwort, and then on the back we just have some line art of Motherwort so we ourselves can color it in. Following behind that is, you guessed it, some Motherwort seeds, of course. And trailing behind that is 2 bags of Motherwort, both 2 ounces, so as always, we have gotten 4 ounces of Motherwort. Medicinally, Motherwort does have a lot of uses, but a few can be narrowed down to menstrual cramping, stress, anxiety, and reduced appetite. Magically, Motherwort can be used for fertility, love, and longevity spells. Next up, we got another tincture from Airy Fairy Apothecary, and it is a Motherwort tincture, as you can see. This is, well, everything's packed away, so I don't have anything to see or test at the moment. That is all for the herb of the month for February. Again, if you would like to grab your April box, the link is below. You will just not receive that 15% off discount. Anyways, that is all for this video. Hit that like and subscribe button for more, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!